Welcome back, green fingers. It's me, Noni Khumalo, and today we'll be talking about our fabulous, award-winning, quality-approved garden centers. So what is a GCA and why should you shop here? As you know, Life is a Garden is the marketing branch of the South African Nursery Association, known as SANA for short. To become a SANA member, garden centers and home stores must meet a series of criteria and evaluations set out by experienced committee members. SANA's goal is to set an industry benchmark and maintain the standard of their world-class retailers. GCA stands for the Garden Center Association that strives to present a professional image of a horticultural industry and encourage professional business practices through a code of conduct. Selected GCAs even have a green sign in the front of the store indicating their SANA partnership. You can access our nationwide directory via the website and explore like never before. Each year, there's also an exciting GCA competition that awards the Garden Center of Excellence title to the best SA has to offer. Garden centers, home stores, and growers are judged according to their plants, products, service, and overall customer service. To find your nearest GCA, visit our website at www.lifeisagarden.co.za and follow the Garden Centers tab on the top menu.